Welcome everyone. I am Santosh Kumar studying first BCom CS batch 2020-23 in KCS Kashinada College of Arts and Science. Today we are going to see about departmental accounting. Meaning of departmental accounting. Department accounting or departmental accounting is a system of financial accounting which is used in the organizations whose all workers are done through the different department of departmental stores. Departmental accounts are prepared separately for each department and trial balance will also be prepared. An organization may produce or buy and sell several products or perform different services under the same roof or from the same premises. Advantages of departmental accounting. The following are the benefits derived by the business firms through departmental accounting. Ascertainment of profit. Gross profit and net profit can be ascertained for each department separately on reliable basis. Comparative performance. The result of different departments can be compared in terms of profit, expenses, inventories, percentage of growth returns on investment, etc. Appraisal of personnel. Individual responsible for improved result or decline in performance can be identified. This is useful in implementing incentive system. Remedial measures. Area of poor performance can be identified for implementing remedial measures. If situation warrants or decisions to discontinue some products or closing a department may be taken accurately. Expansion of diversification. Decision to expand and diversify profitable lines of business becomes easier. Policy formulation. Management policies towards inventories, extending credit, additional investment, etc. are facilitated. Distinction between departments and branches. Location. All the departments are located within a single premises. Branches are located in different geographical areas physically separated from the head office and one another. Growth. Departments are confined to local business and can grow vertically within the same roof. Accounting. All the accounting records are centralized and maintained within the same premises of all the departments. Branches keep records of all operations separately. The head office consolidates the accounts of all the branches. International operations. Departments are confined to a single place unless similar organizations are opened elsewhere. Branches can be started anywhere in the world, so there can be local and foreign branches. Methods of departmental accounting. There are two methods of departmental accounting. One is maintenance of records. Firms with huge turnover and large number of transactions can maintain separate subsidiary books for each department. Medium and small sized firms can maintain purchases books, sales books and returns books with appropriate column for each department. In the ledger, separate accounts are opened for sales, purchases, wages, etc. of each department. Second method, departmentalization of expenses. In order to find out profit or loss of each department, apart from sales, purchases, returns and stocks, various expenses must be charged to the departments approximately. Business expenses are usually divided into two types, direct expenses and indirect expenses. Thank you.